Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam, PhD Fellow, Department of Agronomy, Bangladesh Agriculture University, Mymensingh. Today I have created a new video how can presented PhD final seminar presentation in Department of Agronomy. Today I was held PhD final presentation seminar. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe me, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend a chance to watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let us start with how can presented PhD final seminar presentation in Department of Agronomy, Bangladesh Agriculture University, Mymensingh.
Thank you, Chair. Honorable Chairperson, respectable faculty, chair, teachers, and distinguished participants which are joined Zoom platform and face-to-face. Welcome to my final presentation for the Agriculture University, Mymensingh. My PhD title was Improving Fiber Yield and Quality of Short Duration Cotton Genotype through Agronomic Management. And Professor Dr. Nazrul Islam sir, of the Department of Agronomy, Bangladesh Agriculture University, Mymensingh. Cotton is the second important cash crop as well as the main raw material for textile industry in Bangladesh. It plays an important role in the national economic stem and helps reduce poverty. Textile sector provides 12%, more than 12% GDP in national sector, and for the backward linkage, more than 5 million people in employed textile sector, whereas 80% are female. Cotton is multi-purpose uses. Cotton lead for fiber production, fabric production, and cotton is seed for edible oil, cotton seed for oil cake, and livestock for fish meal, cotton stock as for fuel, and cotton leaf in this soil matter as well organic matter. Bangladesh is the second largest apparel producer in the world, which has 2089 $34 billion US dollar business, and Vision 2021 $15 billion to be used. Bangladesh is the second largest cotton consumer and high stock cotton importer. Previous year, 2019-20, Bangladesh imported 7.1 million bale raw cotton from abroad, which was requirement 11.5 million bale. But locally production only 0.177 million bale, which is contribution only 3 to 4%. Yearly investment approximately 3,180 crore taka, and last 5 years Bangladesh import is fiber sector, that is textile sector, 900 crore taka. Cotton development boards have developed 18 hybrid and 1 hybrid varieties, which was CB1 to CB15 is our upland cotton, and CB hybrid was our hybrid variety, which is Gossypium hirsutum, and also 3 hill kitten research, which was our national fiber, that is grey color, and CDB storage more than 500 gene accession line in gene bank from CDB Zinc Bank and Rangpur Cotton Research Station, but also private seed company, many private seed company, that is Rupali 1, DMC, DM4, and Subra variety, where they supply from their supply and import from India or China. Cotton is a long duration crop. It cultivated in Bangladesh during July to February. But as a result, the field which is used for cotton cultivation cannot be used for almond rice and following Rabi crops. But the farmer in Bangladesh want to grow 0 more crops in the same field, including Rabi crops, because our cropping intensity is minimum 1.2% and highest 2.9%, average 1.9%. But cotton production is this highland. Cotton is whereas intensity is very high. There is Rabi crops and many Tiamon and Rabi crops include in this many crops production in this highland area. Therefore, one of the major challenge, cotton production in Bangladesh cannot be competition with Alliance characters in cotton, which is rarely a genetic characters, can also escape yield loss due to the seasonal threat of biotic and abiotic state, and also increase economic return by reducing input costs like less input of fertilizer and irrigation, and also labor cost. Moreover, cotton yield is greatly affected by environmental conditions and applied cultural practices. The sowing date and detopping practice are the most important management factor in cotton. Sowing date influence cotton yield and lean quality significantly. Ball weight and micronutrient value are generally higher at optimum sowing date and appropriate time of detopping practice. Under this situation, minimizing field duration of cotton is very essential to accumulate cotton in the existing cropping pattern. This can be done in the following way. First, by selecting short duration cotton genotype, and second, adjustment early sowing time, and third, by reducing duration through detopping. Detopping practice is found to be a good practice for reducing field duration of Rabi crops. Keeping it above the view in mind, the present study can be following the objectives. First, to find out potential cotton genotype with shorter field duration, and third, to minimize crop duration by detopping without affecting yield and quality of cotton. This is our year-wise activities, research activities. And my first experiment was screening experiment, which was screening for short duration cotton genotypes, which was objectives to find out potential genotype for better growth, yield, and quality of cotton with shorter field duration. Research included 100 cotton genotypes from the experimental materials, and there are 60 release variety from CDB and 82 advanced extraction line from CDB Zinc Bank, and 2 hybrid variety from private seed company supplier, which was RCBT and 3 replication. Collected that is agronomical data and genetic data and lean quality data. It is my experiment, first experimental plot where data collection procedure, and this is first lower side, left side is experimental plot and optimum plant. The pictorial view shows genotype BC0479 is the earlier among the other genotype because its ball bursting is earlier than other genotype, and the ball speaking stage and our supervisor and cotton expert visited my plot. I have seen the dendrogram of cluster dendrogram, which is a genotype. Each genotype is a different cluster among this cluster similar this same genotype. Its contribution on yield and yield contributing characters among 100 genotypes, but the other genotype is different from this cluster in different 10 cluster. So all on cluster 10, 15 genotype represented among only 6 cluster represented 6 genotype, which is different cluster from other genotype, other cluster. We have the tabulated form in intra and inter-cluster distance value for 100 cotton genotype. We have seen the genotype cluster 10 in intra-cluster distance in minimum, and cluster 9 and 10. Cluster 9 shows the highest inter-cluster distance, but inter-cluster shows genotype cluster 10, which is 17.34, and cluster 6 and 8, that is low inter-cluster distance value. We have to represent that figure format is yield contribution character by versus ball. We have seen genotypes B9 and Rupali on whose highest ball number of ball against the which contributed is yield character, yield contributed. We have seen maturity dates versus yield characters, and that is genotype BC 0479 is the lowest, minimum field duration, which is 165 days minimum field duration, but genotype CB5 which required 190 days for field duration, maturity days. We have seen a score plot between early and late variety. That is green color our early variety, and the red color is our late variety. And we have seen correlation analysis. That is correlation analysis. That is positive correlation analysis. That is blue color are positive and red color our negative correlation. We have seen maturity days, all are the positive correlation except germination percentage and except GOT. But yield contributing characters, all are the positive correlation except GOT percentage. The cluster of the clustering of the cotton genotype based on the yield contributing characters, that is seed cotton yield. We have total 100 cotton genotype, three cluster in three cluster, which consists yield range 2.4 TK, 2.4 to 3.2, yield 3.2 to 3.36, and 3.36 to 4.14. That is 126 genotype represent this highest yield performance, where range from 3 to 6 to 4.1. Direct and indirect path coefficient of attribute for the yield and quality of cotton, which shows that maturity days is our direct path coefficient value. It is 0.15, and whereas number of ball per plant and number of single ball weight, that is ball weight, is our direct highest value. But indirect effect, that number of balls per plant, primary fruiting plants, and single ball weight, a positive indirect value in our path coefficient analysis. We have seen path coefficient analysis among growth parameter, earliness characters, and yield contributing characters. We have seen yield contributing characters is a negative correlation with earliness and growth parameter, but growth parameter is positive correlation with earliness characters. So we can conclude among the 100 genotypes which in the study, the genotype BC 0479, BC 0495, BC 0514, and J13 were found comparatively with better yield and shorter field duration. It was pictorial view, that is genotype first, which is first genotype BC 495, genotype 514, J13 এবং CB 12. Okay. My second experiment is effect of sowing date on the yield and fiber quality of cotton genotype, which has objectives to find out optimum date of sowing for better growth, yield, and quality of cotton. We have selected 5 genotypes which have better performance in the first PBS experiment, where CB12 is our popular variety or check variety. And we have selected 5 sowing dates, that is 25 June, 5 July, 15 July, 25 July, and 5 August 2018. Which are design split per 3 application, main part of our sowing date and genotype of distribution is our germination per highest germination percentage, but minimum days to squaring to flowering was found in sowing date 15 July, but again sympodial branch per plant, highest sympodial branch per plant, and both per plant, highest ball per plant was found in sowing time 15 July. but average ball weight, but high sheet cotton is found in is 15 July sowing date, and minimum ball opening and minimum fold duration was found in 15 July sowing date. Another germination percentage, high germination percentage was and minimum days to squaring and minimum days to flowering was found in genotype BC 0479, and highest sympodial branch per plant and highest bole number per plant was found in genotype BC 0479. And average bole weight and high seed cotton yield is better performance found in BC 0479, and same genotype as minimum days to squaring and minimum days to ball opening, field duration and ball opening. We have seen tabulated formation is have a lean quality or lean quality, that is 15 July sowing date is better performance, whereas all genotype is similar performance in the lean characters and gene characters. Introduction table of genotype and sowing date, that is monopodial plant per plant, sympodial per plant, secondary fruiting branch, number of bolls per plant, single bollet GOT, all of the better performance in sowing date 3. Genotype 1, that means BC 0479 when co-planted on 15 July. But whereas field duration was the minimum field duration 150 days, but maximum field duration was found in genotype 5, that means CB12, which got planted on 5 August. So yield contributing the genotype, the seed cotton yield and quality on 15 July sowing date. My third experiment was effect of detopping time on growth, yield, and fiber quality of cotton, which was objective to find out improvement detopping time or improvement of fiber yield and quality of cotton to minimize crop duration by detopping without affecting yield and quality of cotton. And third was to find out suitable genotype under detopping practice for better growth, yield, and quality of cotton. With the same genotypes, same genotype, but different detopping practice, that is D1 no detopping, D2, D3, and D4 are detopping at 80 days, 90 days, and 100 days respectively, which design was RCPT and 3 application. The figure shows that genotype percentage, high genotype percentage, but minimum days to squaring, minimum days to flowering was found in genotype BC479, and node number of first putting branch, minimum node number of first putting branch, monopodial branches per plant, and secondary fruiting branches per plant, minimum secondary fruiting branches per plant was found in genotype BC479. But height sympodial branches per plant and highest number of bolls per plant was found in genotype BC479, and average ball weight but high seed cotton yield is found in BC0479. Again, highest germination percentage was found, high germination percentage, but minimum days to squaring, minimum days to flowering was found in when detopping practice on 90 days after sowing, and minimum node number of first putting branch, monopodial branch per plant, and secondary putting branch per plant was minimum found in 90 days after sowing. But high sympodial branches per plant and highest number of bolls per plant was found when detopping practice at 90 days after sowing. And average ball weight but high seed cotton yield was found in detopping practice when 90 days after sowing. And again we can send field duration, that is minimum field duration was found in genotype 0479, and minimum field duration as 5 detopping practice at 90 days after sowing. We have some interaction table of genotype and detopping practice, that is NFB, node number of fruiting branch, monopodial branch per plant, sympodial branch per plant, secondary fruiting branches per plant, number of bolls per plant, and field duration. Better performance in genotype 1 when detopping practice at 90 days after sowing, which was field duration on 150 days. But genotype 5 when detopping D1, that is no detopping, his field duration was required 195 days. So this figure shows that genotype, ball number, and ball weight and highest seed quantity was found in genotype BC479 when detopping practice at 90 days after sowing. It is a pictorial view, that is no detopping, detopping 80 days, detopping at 90 days, and detopping at 100 days after sowing. It is ball bursting stage, the same practice. So detopping so genotype BC4 so genotype BC0479 produces the highest seed quantity yield with shortest field duration and the detopping practice at 90 days after sowing. My last experiment was effect of sowing date and detopping time on yield and fiber quality of cotton genotypes, which was objectives to find out optimum sowing date for growth, yield, and quality of cotton to minimize crop duration with detopping at appropriate time without affecting yield and quality of cotton. And last, we find out suitable genotype and have selected 3 genotype with better performance in the previous 2 experiments and 3 sowing date, that is 5 July, 15 July, and 25 July. And detopping practice at 85 days and 90 days and 95 days after sowing. There are which was split plot design with 3 application. Our main plot was sowing time, and detopping practice was our subplot, and genotype was our subplot. We had tabulate formation on germination percentage, just to squaring, just to first flowering, not number of first fruiting branch, among monopodial branches per plant was better performance in 15 July sowing dates, and diameter production, high diameter production is found in genotype sowing July, 15 July, sowing date 15 July. We have seen figure formation, that is sympodial branches per plant, length of sympodial branches per plant, number of balls per plant. Better performance is 15 July sowing date. Another variable was effective balls per sympodial branch, internode distance, minimum internode distance of sympodial branch, and lowest unburst ball per plant was found in 15 July sowing date. But minimum ball opening dates and minimum field duration was found in 15 July sowing date, and average ball weight but high seed quantity was found in 15 July sowing dates. Another tabulation formation of detopping, that is germination, just to first squaring, just to 50% flowering, note number first fruiting branch, and monopodia branches per plant was found better performance in when detopping practice at 9. Total diameter production is better, highest total diameter production was found when detopping practice at 85 days after sowing of cotton plant. The graphical figure formation shows that sympodial branches per plant, that is highest sympodial branches per plant, highest length of sympodial branches per plant, and highest number of ball plant was found in when detopping practice of 85 days after sowing of cotton plant. Another effective balls per sympodial branch, if lowest internode distance of sympodial branches and lowest unburst ball was found when detopping practice at 85 days after sowing. But minimum ball opening date and minimum field duration was found in detopping practice at 85 days after sowing of cotton plant, and average ball weight but high seed cotton was found in detopping practice of 85 days after sowing of cotton plant. The genotypical effect, the germination percentage, just to squaring, just to flowering, and note number first fruiting branch, our monopodial branches per plant was better performance in genotype BC 0479, and total diameter production was better, highest total diameter production was found in BC 0479. Sympodial branches per plant, length of sympodial branches per plant, and maximum number of balls per plant was found in genotype BC 0479. Highest sympodial effective balls per sympodial plants, minimum internode distance of sympathetic branches, and lowest unburst ball per plant was found in genotype BC0479. But minimum ball opening day and minimal field duration was found in genotype BC0479. But average ball weight and high seal cotton is not found in BC0479 genotypes. Introduction effect of sympathetic branches per plant, effective sympathetic branches per plant, number of ball per plant was better. Performance is showing date 15 July when the topic practice has 85 days. Another effective balls per sympathetic plant, minimum internal distance, among lowest unburst ball was found when to the cotton plant cotton seed sowing on 15 July and determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Minimum ball opening days and minimum field duration was found in 15 July sowing date when determined practice of 85 days. And average ball weight first highest seed cotton yield was found when 15 July 15 July sowing of cotton seed and when determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Sympathetic effective balls per plant and number of balls per plant and highest performance as genotype BC0479 when determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Another effective balls per sympathetic plant, minimum internal lowest unburst ball per plant was found in genotype BC0479 when determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Minimum field duration ball opening and minimum field duration was found in genotype BC0479 when determined practice at 85 days after sowing. But average ball weight and highest seed cotton is found in genotype BC0479 when determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Introduction of genotype and sowing date effects is that is sympathetic branches per plant, sympathetic branch per plant, and number of balls per plant was found is genotype BC0479 when planted on 15 July. But another effective balls per sympathetic branch, lowest internal distance of sympathetic branch and lowest unburst ball was found in genotype BC0479 when planted on 15 July. But minimum ball opening and minimum field duration was found in genotype BC0479 when planted on 15 July. Another ball weight and high seed cotton was found in same treatment, genotype BC0479 and planted on 15 July. Introduction of genotype, sowing date and detopic effective. Sympathetic branch per plant, length of sympathetic branches per plant and number of balls per plant is better performance when better performance is genotype BC0479 when planted on 15 July and detopic practice at 85 days after sowing. Another introduction effect of effective balls per sympathetic branch, minimum internal distance of sympathetic branch and lowest unburst ball was found in genotype BC0479 when planted on 15 July and determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Minimum ball opening and minimum field duration 85 days after sowing. Average ball weight of high seed cotton yield is found. High seed cotton is found in genotype BC0479 when planted 15 July and determined practice at 85 days after sowing. Genetic outturn and harvesting details was found in same treatment. It's a pictorial view that is first sowing and first detopic and the genotype 1, 2 and 3. And when detopic, second detopic and the third detopic. And so second sowing but first detopic, genotype 1, 2 and 3. Second detopic, that is third detopic. Sowing 3, detopic 1, genotype 1, 2, 3. Sowing 3, detopic 2, genotype 1, 2, 3. Sowing 3, detopic 3, genotype 1, 2, 3. So we can conclude genotype BC0479 produces the highest seed cotton yield, which the shortest field duration under sowing date of 15 July, sowing date on 15 July, and detopic practice at 85 days after sowing. The accession number BC0479 as we can conclude, the accession number BC0479 was found as the best genotype which produces the high seed coating yield with shortest field duration by the 15 July sowing with date of practice as 85 days after sowing. The genotype BC0479 planted on 15 July produced 17 and 21 high yield than 155 and 25 July sowing dates respectively. Maturity dates. Maturity in cotton genotype BC0479 was 17 days earlier under DTP practice as compared to no DTP practice. So when DTP practice is 90 days. The genotype BC0479 become mature 4 and 10 days early, 90 and 95 days after sowing respectively. The field duration of genotype BC0479 was found 30 days earlier than the popular variety of CB12. The field duration of genotype BC0479 was 10 and 17 days earlier than genotype BC095 and BC0514 respectively. The genotype BC0479 shows 9%, 30% and 31% high yield than genotype BC04495, BC0514 and CB12 respectively, because of better yield and fiber quality and also for shortest field duration. The genotype BC0479 can be considered to be developed as a variety following the standard procedure. So we can recommendation detopping of cotton coupled with optimum sowing date, that is 15 July, can be practiced at farmer level for higher yield and better quality of fiber and very important for shorter field duration of cotton. I have presented Bangladesh Academy of Science, my PhD student. That is it is my title. Thank you. Thanks to all for passing hearing.